Dear student, I am B. Nidal Rahman, Assistant Teacher Science, Career के माध्यम विद्यालय. Dear student, stay home. This is the period of coronavirus, a pandemic disease. So, I first welcome to my English class, class 7. Dear student, I especially thank the Ministry of Education and the honorable officials of Joshua Board. Dear student, please look at the picture. You see some boys are playing a game. You know this is Hadoop. There is another game, Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo. They are playing football. Dear student, this is another boys playing cricket. There is another game, hockey. So, please look at the overall picture. Hadoop, football, cricket, hockey. So, dear student, we can come to know that our previous lesson indicates games and sports. Dear students, after reading this lesson, we come to know that ask and answer the question, enjoy games and sports, talk about the picture, write answer to the questions. So, look at the picture and talk about this question. Do you know what games and sports these are? Is this indoors or outdoors? There are other three games. You know, do males and females in our country enjoy any of these games and sports? Do you enjoy any of these or other games and sports? Which one? Dear students, we all have participated many types of games. I think you are enjoying these games very much on TV show, live or telecast. Dear students, we can name our 5 games and sports individually. Look at the board. There are some new words or keywords here. Aerobics. That means হৃৎপিণ্ড ফুসফুসকে শক্তিশালী করার জন্য এক প্রকার ব্যায়াম যা করা হয় সেটা হচ্ছে অ্যারোবিক্স. Look at the picture. Football. That means you know football means football, a game. Look at the picture. Here the boys are running or walking. It's a new word, jogging. Do you know what is the meaning of jogging here? Jogging means ব্যায়ামের জন্য যে দৌড় বা এক্সারসাইজ করার জন্য আমরা যে দৌড়াদৌড়ি করি বা হাঁটাহাঁটি করি, that means jogging. There is another picture. You see Sania Mirza, a table tennis player. It's a game, tennis. What do you mean by tennis? You know, and you. It means tennis, a game, a popular game. So, dear students, look another picture, yoga. Any words? Your lesson yoga. That's mean jog back. Jog back. Look at the picture. A boy is swimming. So any words? Swimming. What do you mean by swimming? Anyone? Yes, thank you. সাঁতার সাঁতার কাটা পানিতে হাত পা ছড়া সাঁতার কাটা সুইমিং look at the picture here four men are standing they are middle age so any words or keywords here middle age what do you mean by middle age? What do you mean? Anyone? Yes. Who can say? Middle age. What is the meaning of middle age? No. Madhya bayas. Middle age means madhya bayas. Look at the picture. A boy riding on a cycle. So, bicycling. Any words here? Bicycling. What do you mean by bicycling? Bicycling. Cycle chara. So, some keywords here. We come to know the meanings of the keywords. Aerobics, football, jogging, tennis, yoga, swimming, middle age, bicycling. Dear students, we come to know the 8 keywords here, the meaning, and we can introduce and we can meaning the following words. Also, we can try to look out its synonyms and antonyms and synonymous words and antonyms words for our MCQ answer. Look at the pair words. We can do some pair words. Put your khata and pen and write the table on your khata. There are 6 columns here and there are 7 games. Here, 7 words: aerobics, bicycling, football, swimming, tennis, yoga, jogging. There are people here: children, teens, young adults, middle-aged people, and finally older people. These games can be played by children, teens, young adults, middle-aged people, older people. Can you guess who can play these games? Aerobics? Aerobics can be played by teens? Do you think so? Football can be played by older people? Is it possible or not? Teens? Tennis? Tennis can be played by teens? Do you think so? Okay, guess and tick or mark the chart on your khatas and show me. It's time start now. Okay, thank you very much for doing so. Which of activities are popular with the following as people? Tick the activities and then compare with your partner. So, pairs were done by you. Now, check out the following answer. Swimming. Swimming can be easily played by children. Okay, there are many students who can say, who can easily check out swimming can be performed by children. Now, teens can easily play aerobics. Bicycling can easily performed by teens. You can see bicycling can easily performed by teens. Football can easily performed by teens. Also we can see now children and young adults also play football. It's very popular in our country like Bangladesh. Swimming also played by teens. Tennis can play by teens. Yoga also played by teens. Jogging also performed by teens. So, dear students, we can see that the teenagers are teenagers love play games and sports. So teens can perform all the seven games here. So now we look at the adults people, middle-aged people and older people. Young adults can perform the games aerobics. Football played by young adults. Tennis also can be played by young adults. Jogging also can play by young adults. Dear students, I have checked your answer. There are many answers of my dear students. Find out this answer. So you can check your answers and mark yourself. Now, middle-aged people can perform yoga. Older people can perform swimming and jogging. Many old people in our country are having diabetes or manufactured diabetes, so they have to be jogging and some free hand exercise like walking. So there are 7 activities are popular with the following age people or age groups, and you can take marks here and come to know that who can perform and who can play these games. Now I can evaluate yourself and ask you some questions. Who is your favorite sports star? Dear students, I have to know who is your favorite sports star. You can say Saqib Al Hasan, Mustafi bin Murtaza, cricketer, Sachin Tendulkar, Brian Lara, Ricky Ponti. Can you guess who is your favorite sports star? You can also say footballer. Name out some footballer: Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar Jr., Pelé, Maradona, Zinedine Zidane, David Beckham, etc. etc. You can name out. You can also name out tennis player, Sonia Merida, Maria Sharapova, etc. Now you can you say what games and sport do you play? কোন ধরনের খেলাধুলা তুমি খেলতে পছন্দ করো? Can you say what games and sports do you play? Yes, there are many hands. Okay, some are playing cricket, some are playing football, also some are playing drums, etc. Now look at the board. Which sports do you like most? Which sports do you like most? There are many students who love to play cricket. There are others who love to play football. There are many others who love to play tennis, etc. etc. So which sports do you like most? কোন ধরনের খেলা তুমি সবচেয়ে বেশি পছন্দ করো? Now, what's your dream for future? ভবিষ্যতে তোমার কোন ধরনের খেলার কি হওয়ার স্বপ্ন রয়েছে? তোমার স্বপ্ন কি? ভবিষ্যৎ স্বপ্ন কি? Some wants to be teacher, some wants to be cricketer, and many others wants to be doctor, and rest wants to be engineer, banker, etc. So which your dream, what is your dream for future, and which profession you want to choose for your future life? That's mean what is your aim in life? So dear students, please read out the 4 questions on your khatas, and the first one, who is your favorite sports star? What games and sports do you play? Which sports do you like most? What is your dream for future? Dear students, there are 4 questions having alternative answers. Here there are answers having no similarities. There will be a favorite sports star, will be a footballer, maybe a cricketer, anything. Anyone, what games is for play? This is your own answer. So please write down the 4 questions and answer your right answer in your own words here. So, dear students, I give your homework here. Write a short paragraph about your favorite game. Your favorite game, তোমার প্রিয় খেলা. Dear students, your favorite game, write on your khata your favorite game. Your favorite game. Dear students, there are various games and sports in our country like Bangladesh, and also played by abroad. There are various types of games, but some love cricket, others love football, and many also likes others game, habibu, or local games. Also, someone's favorite game. But which specific games do you like? Which specific game you like most? I think there are also having answers not similar with someone, also the same with another. So, which on your favorite games? Cricket, football, hockey, etc. So, name out your favorite game and write down the question and why this game is favored by you, and how this game played. Mention how this game is played, and why this game attract you, and how this game played, and any memories from this game. Do you take part this game? Why and when? Now you can answer the following points here. Which game you like most? Why is it favorite? Favorite game? Mention the number of players in this game. Mention any memorable game you like are this game attractive? Do you take part in this game? When? Dear student, write down the question in your katas and fulfill your homework, your favorite game, and show it your class teacher when you come back to your school. It's very important for you. Dear students, finally, I thanks all dear students, and thanks you very much dear students. Stay home, stay safe. It's the time to a endemic disease like corona. So use mask when you go abroad from your home, and use sanitizer after come back home, and wash your hands many times when you are in home, and take antioxidants as possible. So thank you very much, and stay well. Thank you very much, students.